Ano sinabi ko tungkol sa China? Paano ko dinefend ng China? You tell me. When? When? Tell me. Yung sinabi ko, pabor sa China? When? Isipin po natin, sir, there is nothing as West Philippine Sea. There is nothing as West Philippine Sea. There is nothing as West Philippine Sea. Wala po yun. That is a creation by us. Sa totoo lang po, kahit nabasahin mo yung ating mapa or what, there is no West Philippines. Ano ba talaga ipagpapatayan natin dito? We will offer our lives, including the lives of our children, and to die for it, for something that is not even within our EEZ. Ang gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin yung KIG. 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 I-give up natin. Then, mako-coordinate na natin lahat.
His statement, and I quote, verbatim, Mr. President, ang gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin ang KIG. Then, mako-coordinate na natin lahat, unquote. Is that merely suggestive, Mr. President? Ito ay kasing kintab ng bumbunan, na nasinagan ng tirik na araw sa tanghalin tapat.
Kung paano nyo pinakikitunguhan naman ang Vietnam sapagkat claimant din naman sila, pare-pareho tayong claimant, sana hindi naman yung paraan na parang kami masyado naman kaming kontrabida. Yung Malaysia, nandun din naman. Pagpupunta rin naman yung barko ninyo doon, tinataboy din naman kayo.
Meanwhile,
and my question is for the Philippine Secretary of Defense. As we know, both Vietnam and Malaysia have differences with China in South China Sea. Yet, both countries have effectively managed these differences with China. So my question is, why can't the Philippines do the same?
Tinuturo po nila na Tomas Cloma ay siyang nag-discover ng Spratlys, ang dami pong bansa ang talagang nag-object. Kaya baka mamamali po yung mga estudyante na magte-take up ng course na yan. At lalong-lalo naman, hindi niya i-donate because paano niya po i-donate? On record po ito, the Philippines is one of those countries who objected kasi nga hindi siya terra nullius eh. Meaning to say, there are a lot of discoveries already prior to 1956 when he declared a freedom land. Yun lang po ang part na dapat wag nating susundin dahil mali yun. Lalong-lalo naman na sinabing dinonate. At yan daw ay formalized sa Presidential Decree 1596. Maling-mali po yun.
He even went far beyond by debunking and undermining the historical facts about Tomas Cloma. Senator Marcoleta said, I was all wrong when I said that this Spratlys was discovered and consequently occupied and owned by lawyer and businessman Tomas Cloma, citing the principle of terra nullius or res nullius. It was for him a historical distortion. Curiously, Mr. President, these narratives align with those of the Chinese narratives, plucked directly from the People's Republic of China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs official website, Mr. President. Let's show the slides. Ayan po, kita-kita natin kung anong sinabi ng website ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs ng People's Republic of China. Yan din ang kanya sinasabi.
Delete the entire portion pertaining to my interpellation with Captain Jess B. Pilar.
One thing is crystal clear. When cornered by the fault of his own doing, he employs a diversionary maneuver, pathetically stretching the conversation, no matter how illogical, until people get drained and tired. Just as a squid squirts ink to darken the water and blind everyone around while it swims away.